Did you know that journaling can help you with your finances? Did you know that keeping a spending diary can help you get out of debt? Well, writing about your thoughts, fears, and money decisions can make you more mindful of your financial life. And in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 reasons why you need a money diary for financial planning, reflecting on money goals, adulting, and all the things. So, if this is the type of content that you are interested in learning about, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you join the Edupreneur Diaries community. Hello, everyone. I'm Kimberly. If you are a subscriber, welcome back. If this is your first time here, I hope that you find this content helpful, and I would love to have you drop a key emoji in the comments to let me know that you are a newbie to my channel. On this channel, we talk about ways to unlock your financial freedom by incorporating planning, productivity, and personal finance into your daily routine so that you can level up your life and live the life that you truly deserve. You are more than welcome to follow me on Instagram as well, where I share additional tips and inspiration around the same 3 skills. And I am excited to announce that I have a new e-commerce website that officially launches on July the 1st, but you can visit my site right now to take a sneak peek, grab a freebie, and sign up for my monthly newsletters. Now, let's get into the content and talk about 5 reasons why you need a diary, specifically a money diary, on your journey to financial freedom. Dear Diary. Now, do those words bring back memories from your childhood where you would pour your heart and soul into the pages of your personal diary? Well, I think the concept of journaling and writing in a diary is becoming popular again. But those of you who love to write anyway, you probably never stop journaling. But journaling can help you create routines. It can help you manage stress and enhance productivity, which are all the things that I love and I like to talk about here on my channel. But did you know journaling can also help you with your finances? When I started my $30,000 credit card debt payoff journey, I was writing my thoughts and notes and goals on notebook paper or in my blank teacher lesson plan book or on sticky notes and everywhere else. I've used worksheets, I've used cell phone apps, spreadsheets, just about everything you can think of. But now I've started using a diary, and here are some reasons why. But first, I want to mention what a money diary is. What's the definition? So it's a record of your daily spending and decision making. It's going to allow you to capture your financial habits. It's going to help you learn how to budget, as well as how to plan and track your expenses. So the first reason why you need a money diary is simply to learn how to budget. So remember, creating a budget is going to be key to financial freedom. By seeing how much money you have coming in each week or coming in each month and where your money goes, that's going to allow you to narrow down an appropriate budget that works for you. And then at the end of the month, you can go in and compare your original budget to what actually happened with your money for the month or for the week. And then if you overspend or if you underspend in certain categories, you'll be able to see that and then find ways to adjust your budget. The second reason why you need a money diary is simply to hold you accountable. So how many times have you looked back at your bank account statements and you honestly did not remember where you spent the money? Well, if you use a money diary, this is going to allow you to jot down your daily purchases, and you'll be able to see your spending habits and behaviors, whether they are good, whether they are bad, and then you will know what areas you need to improve in. All right, so the third reason why you need a money diary is to keep you on track. Now, we all know life gets busy because we are mothers, we are fathers. By the way, happy Father's Day to any father that's watching right now. I'm recording this video on June 20th, so Father's Day was yesterday. But we are friends, we're aunts, we're uncles, right? So it's only natural that sometimes, especially on your journey to pay off your debt, you may miss a payment. Now, I don't want you to miss a payment, but it may happen. You may also find yourself procrastinating, making financial decisions, or you may forget about an upcoming event and you may forget to budget for that event. But keeping a money diary, this is going to allow you to review over those items daily, because you're supposed to go in and look at your diary on a daily basis. So keeping this is going to mean that you're less likely to forget about certain things and you're less likely to choose to ignore it. So it's going to keep you on track. Number 4, a money diary is going to help you appreciate your wins, right? So how many times have you looked back on a previous month and just kind of forgot about those moments that you shared, those special moments that you created or learned from? A money diary is going to give you that physical space that you need to take note of everything that's happening to you on a daily basis as it relates to your finances. So then you can appreciate your growth from month to month or from week to week. And you can appreciate those wins along the way. And that's what we want. We want to see wins and we want to be able to appreciate those wins, right? The 5th and final reason you need a money diary is to help you reach your financial goals. Now, if you don't have any financial goals, I want you to think about it and create some goals. Whether you are trying to tackle your debts, whether you're planning for retirement, whether you want to build an emergency fund, save for a vacation, or just be prepared for your growing family, you need to make sure that you have some financial goals, all right? So you have a lot of goals that you can possibly aim for, and a money diary can help you see the big picture while also just holding you accountable and ultimately giving you the motivation and the information that you need to reach those financial goals. Now go ahead and drop a key emoji and comment below and let me know, what do you think about starting a money diary or a spending journal? I hope that you think this will be helpful to you. I would say though, if you decide to do a money diary, try to maintain this routine for at least 1 month to start out, and then you can go in and review your finances from there. If you find it helpful, then you want to keep going for the rest of the year and try to maintain the money diary. And I certainly think that it's going to help you reach your goals faster. So here's my call to action for those of you who are still watching. I want you to go ahead and start a plan today, right now, to first get a diary. All right, I have several available right now on Amazon and more coming soon. But even if you don't purchase my diary, you can go to Dollar Tree and purchase a diary. There are multiple options. But after you get your diary, I want you to write down your money dreams and goals. That's the first thing. Then I want you to set aside some time every single day to go through your daily finances. Even if it's only 10 minutes a day, maybe you want to make it part of your nighttime routine. Whatever you have to do, I want you to spend daily time looking over your finances. Then I want you to create a budget. All right, you can do that weekly, bi-weekly, however often you get paid. Create a budget. Sunday is a good day to do that. You want to know where your money is going and how much you have left over. So creating a budget is key. Then I want you to track your spending in your diary. That means you may need to review over your receipts. You may need to look at your bank account statements. You may need to look at your credit card statements. I know that it seems like a lot, but it's going to help you understand your spending habits better. The next thing I want you to do is to visualize your financial goals. So just like a vision board can help make your dreams come true, the more that you see something in front of you, the higher chance it will happen. And that's why I want you to write your financial goals in your diary and look at this on a daily basis. So you can list these daily, weekly, or monthly, no matter how big they are, no matter how small they are. I want you to write down these financial goals. All right. Now you can write it, you can draw it, but I want you to go back to those pages later on, and I want you to reflect on how those goals are going and if there are any changes that you need to make in your daily finances. All right, you all. So comment below, I'm ready, if you are ready to get out of debt by creating a money diary, a debt diary, a spending journal, whatever it is that you want to call it, because it's all about this journey to financial freedom. Also, don't forget to share with me what are your money dreams and goals, and tell me if you think a spending diary will work for you in your particular situation. Now, I wanted to take a moment to let you guys know that I do have some diaries available right now on Amazon. These are hardcover diaries. Not only do I have the debt diary, but I have the mindset diary out, the millionaire diary, because that's the goal, right? I want you all to create multiple streams of income, as well as myself. That's my goal, right? And to hopefully be a first generational millionaire, right? I have a productivity diary, an investment diary, and then I have coming soon the spending diary and the money diary. So if you're interested in either of those, check out my Amazon link below. All right, my Amazon authors page is linked below. Now, I also want to share with you guys a freebie, right? I like to give you freebies, so I have a printable, a digital download for you. It is the money diary freebie. So each week you can go in and you can write down your expenses and how much you spent Monday through Sunday. And again, this is a printable, so you can print off as many sheets as you want. So check out the link below if you're interested in this. And as always, if you have made it this far in the video, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to support my channel, and hit the notification bell so that you know every time Edupreneur Diaries posts a new video. Thanks for watching.